Relocating to Red Deer in 2024, Tips and Advice. Are you ready for a fresh start? Are you considering relocating to Red Deer, Alberta, in 2024? Whether you're looking for a new job opportunity, a change of scenery, or a fresh start, Red Deer has much to offer. Situated between Calgary and Edmonton, Red Deer provides a balance of small-town charm with urban amenities. With a population of over 100,000, it's a mid-sized city that is growing rapidly while retaining a close-knit, friendly atmosphere. But before you make the move, there are a few things you should know. Relocating to a new city can be exciting but also overwhelming. To make the transition smoother, we've compiled essential tips and advice to ensure you're well prepared for the big move to Red Deer in 2024. Section 1, Researching Red Deer. Before you pack up your life and relocate, it's critical to do your research. Learning about Red Deer's economy, job market, educational opportunities, neighborhoods, and the overall lifestyle will help you determine whether the city meets your expectations. Each city has its own culture and identity, and it's crucial to understand Red Deer's unique features before you decide to call it home. Economy and job market. Red Deer's economy has long been powered by industries like oil and gas, agriculture, and manufacturing. However, recent diversification has led to growth in healthcare, technology, education, and small businesses. Major employers in the region include Red Deer Regional Hospital, Red Deer Polytechnic, formerly Red Deer College, and various municipal and government roles through the city of Red Deer. While traditional industries continue to play a key role, Red Deer is increasingly seen as a hub for innovation and entrepreneurship. If you're seeking work in these sectors, Red Deer offers ample opportunities. Red Deer's location advantage. Red Deer's strategic location between two of Alberta's largest cities, Calgary and Edmonton, also benefits its economy. Both cities are within easy driving distance, making Red Deer an attractive base for those who prefer a quieter lifestyle but still want access to the larger urban centers for business or leisure. The city is well connected by major highways, and both Calgary and Edmonton are about 1.5 hours away by car. Educational landscape. Families with children will be pleased to know that Red Deer has a strong education system. The Red Deer Public Schools District is known for its innovative approach to education, emphasizing personalized learning and community involvement. Several public and private schools are available, offering specialized programs such as French immersion, sports academies, and STEM-focused curricula. Red Deer Polytechnic plays an important role in the city's educational landscape, offering post-secondary options for students interested in trades, technology, the arts, and health sciences. With its recent transition to a polytechnic institution, the college now offers degree programs, adding to the city's appeal for families and professionals seeking continuing education opportunities. If you're moving with older children or planning to further your own education, Red Deer Polytechnic is a vital resource. Community organizations. Red Deer is known for its strong sense of community. The city is home to various community organizations and volunteer groups that offer services, support, and social activities for residents of all ages. The Red Deer Community Association is a fantastic resource for newcomers, providing information about local events, recreational programs, and ways to get involved. If you're someone who values being part of an active and engaged community, Red Deer will not disappoint. Volunteerism is a cornerstone of the city's culture, with organizations such as the Red Deer Food Bank and the United Way of Central Alberta always seeking new volunteers. Section 2, Finding a place to live. Once you've made the decision to relocate to Red Deer, the next critical step is finding a place to live. The city offers a variety of housing options to suit different budgets and lifestyles. Whether you're looking for a family-friendly neighborhood, a modern condo, or a luxurious estate, Red Deer's housing market has something for everyone. Affordable housing. Compared to major urban centers in Alberta, Red Deer boasts a relatively affordable housing market. As of 2024, the median home price is around $350,000, making it an attractive option for first-time homebuyers and families looking for larger homes. Even if you're on a tighter budget, you'll find a range of housing options from condos and townhomes to older, established properties in cozy neighborhoods. Popular neighborhoods include Anders Park, which is known for its spacious homes and family-friendly vibe, and Sunnybrook, a charming area with plenty of parks and recreational facilities. For those looking for newer developments, Timberstone and Laredo offer modern homes with easy access to schools, shopping, and other amenities. Rental market. For renters, Red Deer provides affordable options as well. The average rent for a one-bedroom apartment is around $1,000 per month, which is lower than in nearby cities like Edmonton and Calgary. Newly developed rental units offer contemporary living spaces, often with amenities such as gyms, communal spaces, and secure parking. If you're not quite ready to buy a home, the rental market offers a great alternative for settling into the city without the long-term commitment of homeownership. Homeownership programs. Red Deer also has programs designed to help residents achieve homeownership. The Red Deer Homeownership Program offers grants and incentives for first-time homebuyers, while the Alberta government's first-time home buyer incentive can help make purchasing a home more affordable. Working with a real estate agent. Navigating the Red Deer housing market can be much easier with the help of a local real estate agent. These professionals have extensive knowledge of the neighborhoods, current market conditions, and available properties. They can also assist with the often complicated process of buying a home, helping you to avoid any pitfalls along the way. Section 3, Getting Settled. After finding your new home, the next step is getting settled into your new community. This part of the relocation process can feel daunting, but Red Deer has a wealth of resources to help you feel at home as soon as possible. Setting up utilities and services. Once you've secured a home, you'll need to set up basic utilities such as electricity, water, and internet. Red Deer is served by several utility companies, including ATCO Gas and the City of Red Deer Utilities Department, making it easy to get everything set up quickly. You'll also want to register for healthcare services. Alberta Health Services operates a number of clinics, hospitals, and medical centers in the area. Red Deer Regional Hospital is the city's primary medical facility and offers a full range of healthcare services. Getting familiar with the city. Red Deer offers a variety of amenities to its residents. Whether you're looking for shopping centers, restaurants, fitness facilities, or entertainment options, the city has plenty to offer. The downtown area features a variety of local shops, cafes, and restaurants, while larger retailers and chain stores can be found in shopping centers like Bauer Place. One of the city's biggest attractions is its green spaces and outdoor activities. Waskesiu Park is an extensive system of parks and trails that wind along the Red Deer River, offering scenic views, picnic areas, and opportunities for hiking, biking, and kayaking. If you enjoy spending time outdoors, Red Deer is a fantastic city for nature lovers. Newcomer services. For those who are new to the city, the Red Deer Newcomers Club is a valuable resource. This group offers events, activities, and programs specifically designed to help new residents meet people and get involved in the community. They organize everything from coffee meetups to group excursions, making it easier to connect with others who are also new to the area. Section 4. Finding a job. If you're moving to Red Deer for work, or need to find a new job once you arrive, you'll be happy to know that the city has a diverse job market. Red Deer's economy continues to grow, and there are opportunities in a variety of industries. Top employment sectors. Healthcare is one of the city's largest sectors, with Red Deer Regional Hospital employing thousands of medical professionals, administrative staff, and support workers. Education is another big employer, with Red Deer Public Schools and Red Deer Polytechnic offering many opportunities for teachers, administrators, and support staff. The trades and manufacturing industries are also important to the local economy. Red Deer's proximity to the oil and gas fields means that companies in energy services and oil field construction have offices in the city, providing jobs for engineers, technicians, and laborers. Agriculture remains a cornerstone of the economy, with job opportunities ranging from farming and food production to agricultural technology.